So good morning, class 7 children. Already we have done the revision of rest of the chapters. Today again we are taking the revision of chapter number 15, that is light. So let's continue with it. Few fill-ups are there. Kindly raise your hands, those who know the answer. Let's revise it quickly. Filling the blanks, a property by which light in the straight line. Yes, Vedika. Kindly raise your hands quickly.
Ma'am, rectilinear propagation.
Rectilinear propagation of light. Good. Second is light travels with the speed of dash in air. Anyone among you? Okay, you may tell the speed of light in the meter per seconds if you know. 3 into 10 raised to power 5 meter per second, or you can say that 3 lakh kilometers per hour. So in both the units, you may tell the speed of light, either it in meter per second or either kilometer per hour. C part. The splitting of white light into 7 colors. One Sharma.
Ma'am, dispersion.
Dispersion. Okay, good. D part, dash is a study of the spectrum formed when a surface emits light. We need to check what that phenomena is known as. The study of spectrum formed when that surface emits light. Rainbow is formed, we know that. But this is not in your syllabus, that what that study is known as. Next, was the first person to discover that sunlight is made up of 7 colors. It's given in your book. What was the name of the scientist? He has given the name of Newton disk after his name. What was his name? Yes, Mahi?
Ma'am, Newton.
Yes, he was Newton. Have you read about the Newton disk? So the name was kept after his name. Newton was assigned. Dash lens is present in a human eye. Mahi?
Ma'am, convex lens.
Convex lens is already inbuilt. That is already present in our eyes. Dash lens always form erect, virtual and diminished image. Which lens produces all these type of images? Erect, virtual, diminished. And you have to tell which lens. Yes, Mahi.
Ma'am, concave lens.
Children, you can give the answers also. Where is the problem? So concave lens forms all these type of images. Next question number 2, differentiate between the following 3 points each. Concave and convex mirrors. So yesterday I told you to draw the diagrams of these mirrors also. Okay. Who will give me the differentiation between these two? Children, whenever you will be attempting the questions of mirrors and lenses, kindly first of all read it carefully, that what has been asked. Lavish?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, telling convex lens. Those lens
बेटा
which
बेटा
are
बेटा here it is mirror. Mirror ध्यान से करिए. अभी मैंने आपको क्या बोला? Just take care of it. Either it is mirror or either the lens.
okay, ma'am.
Yes, speak. We have to give differentiation between the mirrors. Yes, speak out about the mirror. Where is the reflecting surface? You know that. What about else? Rest don't know about the mirrors, concave and convex mirrors. Where is the bulging side is there? Is it inside? If the bulging side is inside, then what happens? It is a concave mirror. Or yes, Mahi, tell. Lavish, what happened?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, concave mirror forms real image and convex mirror forms virtual image.
Okay,
Ma'am,
better rest.
mirror.
Yes, yes, speak out. You can tell about the shape of these mirrors also.
Okay, ma'am. Concave mirror is also called converging mirror, whereas convex mirror is also called diverging mirror. Mom,
Okay.
concave mirror forms a small image, whereas convex mirror forms the enlarged image.
And children, one more difference if you want to write down, you can differentiate, you can draw the diagrams. Okay, you can draw the diagrams for concave and convex mirrors. You know how to draw? Because these mirrors are the parts of the spherical mirror. So you may draw the diagram of it. Next, difference between a real and virtual image. Yes,
May I
Abhi-
tell once?
yes, tell.
Okay, ma'am. Real image. Real images are inverted. And second, convex lenses form a real image. Third, real images are formed by a concave mirror and virtual image. First, virtual images are erect. Second, concave lenses form a virtual image. And third, virtual images appear to be on the lens or the mirror itself.
Okay. Okay, beta, fine it is. Next, you have to define these terms. First is mirror. What do you mean by mirror? Yes, Lavish, can I have the answer?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, a highly polished surface which is smooth enough to reflect a good fraction of light incident on it is called a mirror.
Good. Okay. Next is lens. Yes, Mahi.
Mom, please repeat the question.
Beta, this question B part we are doing. You need to write down the definitions. Lens. Yes, Vedika. You may give
Okay,
the
ma'am.
answer for lens. Mukul Jain, Ayan Malik. What do you mean by simple lens? Lenses are transparent and they are available in different form shapes. Convex and concave lens. And concave and convex lens, these are the parts of the spherical mirrors. So what you can say about the lens, that are the transparent materials that are known as lenses. Next is prism. What do you mean by prism? Yes, what is
Ma'am,
prism?
it is a glass of the object which disperse light into the seven colors of the rainbow.
Kindly tell the shape of prism again. What are you saying about?
Ma'am, it is a transparent glass which turns.
Okay,
which
transparent
disperse-
glass. Or children, you may say triangular shaped transparent glass, which can, uh, which split the light into 7 colors, through which we can see the rainbow by the process of dispersion. So it's your wish in what way you give the answer. Next is rainbow. Switch on your cameras, Abhigyan, Lavish, Divyanshi, Mahi.
Can I?
Yes, tell. Vedika, yes.
A large arc in the sky with many colors is known as a rainbow.
Okay. Rainbow, a large arc with a band of 7 color is known as rainbow. Lateral inversion. Yes, the rest of the children, Mukul, Abhigyan.
Ma'am, can I
Ayan.
tell?
Yes, Lavish,
Can I
tell.
tell?
Yes, ma'am. A mirror forms an image such that its left side is object's right side and its right side is object's left side. This phenomena of change in object and image sides is known as lateral inversion.
Okay, good, better, good. Next is number 2 question. Which mirror is used as a rear view mirrors and why? Yes, Tanvi. Why it is so? Rear view mirrors in the vehicles. Which mirror is used and why? Who else?
Metal ones.
Yes, Vansh.
Now, convex mirrors are used as the rear view mirrors because in the motor vehicle because they form a virtual, erect, and diminished images.
Yes. And one thing more is there, they cover large area. Okay. Erect, diminished image is formed and moreover they cover the large area. Okay. Why is it dangerous to look at the sun through a convex lens? Yes, Ayan.
A convex lens can focus the sunlight to a point to such an intensity which can burn paper, wood, plastic, etc.
Okay.
This
So
intense
children, what
light can be
happens?
easily damage our eyes lens.
Yes. So convex lens, what does they do? Convex lens can form the this pointed image whose intensity is more. If we do so, so what happens? Even a paper or even a dry leaf can burn. So if we will see through the this lens, then what will happen? The eye lens can damage. I told you to see through the convex lens. Some of the children, they used to do it. They focus the sun's light at a single point, and when they do so, the even the light is so bright, within a few seconds the paper can burn. Okay. That depends on that day the sun should shine brightly. This happens only. What is a Newton's disk? How does it show that light is composed of many colors? न्यूटन डिस्क क्या है, पहले आप ये बता सकते हैं? What is a
Ma'am, a
Newton
Newton
disk?
disk is the segment of the rainbow colors.
Okay, it's a segment of rainbow colors. And how it is composed of? So children, for this you have to show the activity. Okay, light is composed of.
When this disk is rotated, when the colors fade of the rainbow.
So the color overlaps. So when this disk is rotated, the overlapping of color takes place, and when the colors overlap, we are able to see the grayish color, which is equivalent to the white color. In this way, we can we can say that the white light is composed of many colors. Next, Ayan, why is concave mirror used in searchlights and headlights? You know that even it is used by the dentist. So why in searchlight and headlights?
Concave mirror has converging power. It can concentrate the light rays at a particular point.
So it has the converging power. And you must have seen that the surface is very, very reflected. So that's why the light reaches to a large distances. That's why they are used in a searchlight and headlights. Next, you have to tell about either it is true or false. Light is the fastest traveling form of energy. Agreed?
Ma'am, true.
Yes, it is true. Yes, it is true. Okay. Second is light travels in curved path.
False.
Ma'am, false.
False. As per the law of reflection, angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. So still we have not read, but then too you should know the. Yes, Mahi.
Mom, it is true.
Yes, angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection always. Next, D part. A concave lens can be used to produce an enlarged and erect image. Is it true? Concave lens can be used. Just take care of it. We are talking about the lens to form enlarged and erect image. Yes, Mahi?
Ma'am, true.
Yes, it is true. Number E. An object can be seen only if emits light. Is it true? We can see only that object which emits light.
Ma'am, false.
Yes, it is false. We can see the objects who do not emit their own light. Okay, when we switch on the light, when the light falls on them, then we can see them. A concave lens is called a converging lens. Is it true?
Mom, false.
Yes, it is false. So what will be the true statement for this part then?
Mom, the convex lens is called the converging lens.
Okay, the convex lens is called the converging lens. Next is few fill-ups again. The inner surface of a spoon, how it acts like, and outer, how it acts like. You have to remember.
Ma'am, concave mirror.
Ma'am, the inner acts like a concave mirror and the outer part acts like a convex mirror.
Yes. An image formed on a screen is called a dash.
Mom, real image.
Real image. Okay. C part. Dash mirrors used as side mirrors in scooter or cars.
Concave mirror.
Again,
Convex mirror.
convex mirrors. Children, do not get confused. On the side view mirrors, one single use is there of convex mirrors. Next, lenses. The lenses which feel thicker in the middle than at the edges are
Convex lens.
convex lens. Okay.
Convex lens.
So 7 colors in the rainbow are red, orange, yellow, green, blue. 2 are left.
Ma'am, violet and indigo.
Violet and indigo. Children, I had given you one way also to learn it. How we can learn?
Vibgyor.
Vibgyor. Vibgyor. Vibgyor. So from that she has got it, that Vibgyor. We can write capital Vibgyor. So we can get V is for
Violet.
violet. I for, we are children, here we are starting
Indigo.
from the
Ma'am, I
back.
for indigo.
See, here the question has been started from the back. First is red. See, red, O orange, G green, Y yellow, blue, indigo and violet are left. So you may give. Okay. So 2 colors are left, violet and indigo. So these all are the colors. So let's continue with the next part. So let's continue, children, with the MCQs. John and Tom were given one mirror, each by their teacher. Tom found that image to be erect and of the same size, whereas John found her image erect and smaller in size. So I think you have got the question. First has found the image erect and of same size. Second, image erect and smaller in size. So which type of mirrors the both can have?
Ma'am, plain mirror and
Plain mirror
concave
and
mirror.
convex mirror.
Take
Ma'am,
Plain mirror
plain
and
mirror and
concave
convex
mirror.
mirror.
Just take care. First is correct, plain mirror. Now in second case, the image is smaller. See to it.
Ma'am, plain mirror and concave mirror.
Beta, how in concave mirror? Convex mirror it is.
Ma'am, it's convex mirror.
Convex mirror. Convex mirror में जो image है, that is smaller. Up, just recall. Try to recall that convex mirrors are used in the side view mirrors. And in side view mirrors, what is there? The smaller image is formed. Kindly relate like this. Next, number second. You are provided with convex mirror, concave mirror, convex lens, concave lens. You can get an inverted image. So हमारे पास ये चारों चीजें हैं. So how we can get the inverted image? In which case we get the inverted image? Already we have done this questions, children. Tell me. Inverted image कैसे कैसे मिलेगी? Just see to it. Yes, Mahi, know the answer. Lavish, Vansh, Abhigyan, Tanvi.
Ma'am, concave mirror and convex lens.
Convex lens.
Convex lens and
Concave mirror.
concave mirror and convex lens. Anybody else want to add? Tushar? Okay, next is unjumbled word. So first word is, what we can say for the first word? Any idea for the first word? No one. What's the first word? Hurry up. What about second, third, fourth, fifth?
Prism.
Ma'am, second is
Ma'am,
prism.
second is prism.
Okay, think for the first also. Second is prism. Third is
Rainbow.
rainbow. Yes, rainbow. Okay. B तो नहीं है इसमें.
Ma'am, A भी नहीं है.
A तो है. In C part 1 A is there. But B is not there. Take care of it.
मैम और 2 N है.
Narrow. Can it be a narrow?
No, ma'am.
मैम उसमें I और A
No,
है.
ma'am.
So maybe it is missing. Instead of B, it will be N. It will be a B. Only then the rainbow can be there. Okay, next is. What about the next? And D and E part. E is erect.
ma'am, erect.
Okay, E is
Ma'am,
erect.
E is
E is
erect.
erect.
E we have found. So only 2 are left. I, A, L. So you have found first is spherical. Second is prism. Third, only one mistake is it should be B part, rainbow. Then D is inverted and E is erect. Good. So children, here is a crossword. Across. A convex lens is dash lens. So fourth part.
Ma'am, converging length.
Converging lens.
Converge. CONVERGING. Converging. Okay. Get. Number 6. An image which can be obtained on a screen.
Ma'am, real
Ma'am,
image.
real
R-
image.
Image.
Real image.
AL. Okay, it will be filled. 4 letters are there. Next, a concave lens is dash lens.
Ma'am,
Diverging
diverging lens.
Diverging.
Diverging lens.
DIVERGING. Okay, it's diverging. Number 2, an image which can't be obtained on a screen.
Virtual
Ma'am,
image.
virtual.
Virtual image.
VIRTUAL. Okay, got it. Number 3, any polished or a shining surface act as number 3.
Mirror.
Ma'am, mirror.
MIRROR. Okay, done. One of the rainbow's color. Number 5. See, we have to use one of the color. And fourth में हमने क्या fill किया? DI. Fourth में हमने ये fill किया ना, diverging lens. So it will be
Ma'am,
DI.
indigo.
Indigo. INDIGO. Indigo. So we have got it. Okay, children. So here are the answers. Children, we can see the answers. One we were left, na, that was a spectroscopy. Spectroscopy. The study of the light. Spectroscopy.
Yes, ma'am.
Spectroscopy it is. Okay, yes. Rest all are true. Orange they had sent. Orange or indigo, any of the color can be there. They are saying orange. Orange to nahi aayega. Because in number 4, what we have filled?
I'm diverging.
IVERGING. Or what we can say? And number 5, indigo, we can say why they had sent. Okay, no problem, children. So this was
Fourth में हमने converging fill किया
Converging
था.
fill करा था.
Acha, converging. CO. That's why we are going for orange.
Orange.
ORANGE. Orange color is there. Okay. If it is converging, then we are going for orange. So children, I hope you have understood the chapter 15. And we have revised all the chapters well. Now it's your time to give revision to all the chapters. Okay. Rest will be continued.